Wash the taro roots thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then drain water and rinse the taro roots. Once cool, peel the skin and cut them into large cubes. Pressure cook the taro root with enough water for 2 or 3 whistles. Allow the pressure to release naturally. Soak the tamarind in ½ cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Squeeze the tamarind pulp extract and strain it. Set the extract aside. Take a saucepan, heat the oil, add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad, and chana dal. Let them splutter. Add the chopped onions, tomatoes, and green. Green chilies saute until the onions turn translucent. For thick gravy, cook until tomatoes are soft. Add the boiled taro root pieces to the pan and mix. Gently to coat them in the spice mixture. Pour in the prepared tamarind extract along with 1-2 cups of water. Then bring the curry to a boil. Then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt and the curry to thicken. Serve the hot Chamagadda Pulusu with steamed rice.